So kusasa iOrlando Pirates iyodlala against iRichards Bay FC, iyodlala le eMlazi. iOrlando Pirates idlala away. The defending champions will be looking to defend their cup kule season futhi, njengoba bezoqala neteam enzima, iteam edlala kuBetway Premiership. Yize le club abazodlala nayo ineyinkinga, but baningi abadlali abakuleya club leya abangayinikeza inkinga iOrlando Pirates. Abadlali abanjengo Wonderboy Makhubu. Wonderboy Makhubu phambili ustronger and height yakhe ingaba inkinga for iOrlando Pirates. So nayi lineup mina engayishaya mase ngithola ithuba. Ngizoshaya ilineup prediction. Starting at the back. Eback yami ngaqalisa lo mfana lo uSipho Chayeni, yabo. I would love to give uButhelezi ithuba, but kule game le asidlali lana neteam eku-FND noma iteam eku-Motsepe, yabo. Sidlala neteam ela kuBetway Premiership, so we cannot take any chances starting ugoalkeeper ongajwayele vele ukudlala kwiNedbank Cup. Sidlala neteam ekuBetway Premiership, yabo. Hayi kabi, I love the guy, but kule game le bengamqalisa mina uSipho Chayeni, because uSipho Chayeni usadlalela kamnandi. Sambona adlala against iAl Ahly, umjida wasave kakhulu, so ngamqalisa kule game le, yabo. Kuthi ama center backs wakhe ngaqalisa uThapelo Xoli benoSesane, yabo. Ngaqalisa uXoli benoSesane. Reason why ngiqalisa uXoli bafethu une height kule game le, so dlala nomjida one height. Striker seRichards Bay ne height, Wonderboy Makhubu, so ngiyamdinga umuntu ostrong and ozokwazi ukumatcha iheight ka Wonderboy Makhubu meqhamuka ama set pieces. Kuma set pieces si vulnerable, we are vulnerable kuma set pieces. Bazosebenzisa lelo thuba lelo lokushama cross kakhulu mase beya head, yabo. So ngiyamdinga umuntu ozokwazi ukuvala Wonderboy Makhubu, uzodlalisana kanye benoSesane tactically disciplined. Umjida uyakwazi ukudlala emuva, yabo. Umjida ukhulu, calm and collected, yabo. So ngabaqalisa bawu2, yabo. Angaze ngiyibone le partnership le idlala ndawonye, angaze ngiyibone, ngizobe ngiqala ukuyibona nje, yabo. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani ndawonye, because ama defenders weOrlando Pirates, uXoli sekwadlala noNdaba before, yabo. uXoli sewadlala noNdaba before, uXoli sewadlala noSibisi before, uXoli useke wadlala noMayela before. Angaze ngimbone edlala noSesane, yabo. So yinto le ngifuna ukuyibona yenzeka kusasa, yabo. Mase kuthi right wing back yami ngaqalisa lo mfana lo uVan Rooyen ngamqalisa kusasa. uVan Rooyen lo mdlali lo mdingayo, umudinga abadlali abazo-add ama numbers phambili. Umdlali okwazi ukukhuphuka ngeside, umdlali futhi okwaziyo ukuzodefend. Uyakwazi ukukhuphuka ayoshaya ama cross, adlale nama forward passes akhe, uyakwazi futhi ubuya azodefend. So something umshido kanjalo okuVan Rooyen uzosidela ama numbers and asishayele nama cross. So ngambeka lapha right wing back yami. Bengamqalisa uMonyane, but uMonyane ngathi usathintekile umfana, yabo. So ngamqalisa uVan Rooyen, but naye ngingazi because angimbonanga eflyer neteam yale kusudla neAl Ahly. Asazi kwenzakalani behind the scenes, but if it was for me, I would start uVan Rooyen lapha ka right wing back. Kuthi left wing back ngaqalisa uPaseka Mako. This is a cup game. We saw uPaseka Mako sidlala against iAl Ahly. Umjida wayimisela ngempela, wadlala ngempela kule position oba defender abadlali beAl Ahly, and samdinga umdlalo oqinile ozokwazi ukubamaka labadlali labo beRichards Bay. iRichards Bay ngosasidlala neMamelodi Sundowns wayibona indlela eqine ngakhona, yabo. Sebadinga abadlali abaqinile abazokwazi ukumela ipressure, yabo, ezolethu iRichards Bay. I'm not taking iRichards Bay lightly, yabo. We cannot take any team lightly kuBetway Premiership. Every team is a threat kuBetway Premiership. So qetha uPaseka Mako, that shows ukuthi kahle kahle le game le is a must win game. Mase kuthi endishini nakhona futhi angifuni ukufaka nje ukuthatha ama chance endishini, yabo. I don't want to take any chances endishini. Ngaqalisa uMakhehleni Makhawula, kehle ngimqalise beno talent but le partnership isisebenzele kakhulu bafethu, isisebenzele kakhulu le partnership le eswini. So ngabaqalise bawu2, yabo. Ngabaqalise bawu2. iRichards Bay is strong kakhulu eswini, so we must make sure ukuthi lapha asifaki abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Asibafaka abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala, because the last time we did that in a cup game sayiluza leyo game. If you remember, we played against the Magis, we calling knockouts. We lost the game because we partnered abajida abangajwayele ukudlala ndawonye eswini. Safaka uDlamini benoRaseboch. If you remember that game sayiluza ngo-3-2, yabo. So kule game le mele siqhubeke ngeformula ejwayele ukusebenzela. Le formula ejwayele ukusebenzela iyona ke le bafethu. Mina eswini ngaqalisa abajida bawu2. Kuthi ku central attacking midfield yami ngaqalisa uTito Maswanganyi. Tito Maswanganyi ngamqalisa as a central attacking midfielder eOrlando Pirates. The reason why ngimqalisa uTito Maswanganyi angifuna ukuchaza kakhulu ngayo creative umjito. Creative uzosinikeza lento esiyidingayo. Sidlala against i-team physically and iyathanda ukufollow abadlali kakhulu. Tito Maswanganyi umdlalo omdingayo lapho because uyakwazi ukuhold ibhola kakhulu mase yabo udlala lawo ma-passes lawo azokwenza iOrlando Pirates iscore phambili yabo. So ukuhold ibhola kwakhe le team ledlana iRichards Bay izovela ufuna ukumfawula yabo. Umifuna umfala zothola ama-chance usishaya ama-free kick. If you remember i-free kick yakora uDlamini yabo, i-free kick yakora uDlamini kwakufawulwe yena umjito yabo. So into ekanjalo uzosiza impela sikwazi futhi ukukhahlela ngaphandle. Goalkeeper waleya team leya siyamazi goalkeeper weRichards Bay akwazi ukuchitha, akwazi ukubamba ungqi njalo. Uvela lichitha ibhola sengayikhuluma le ndaba le. Ugoalkeeper weRichards Bay uyalichitha ibhola akwazi ukubamba ungqi. So singalisebenzisa lelo thuba lelo sikhahlele yabo. Akwazi ukuvimba kahle nje akekho mnandi. Kuthi right wing yami ngaqalisa lo mfana lo uMonapule Saling. I saw pictures umjito ubuyile ejimini uyatraina neteam. So I will start uMonapule Saling ngimnikeza lawo ma-minutes lawo njengoba siyodlala idabi nje neMamelodi Sundowns. Umjito uyadinga ukubuyela egamini so I will start uMonapule Saling against iRichards Bay FC yabo. Ungangitshela wena ungaqalisa ba lapho kuma-comments ezi-right winger yakho. Will you start uNkota or would you start uMonapule Saling? The guy is back. So mina I would start uMonapule Saling. Kuthi ka left wing angifuna ukuchaza kakhulu futhi nakhona. The boy has been doing very well for Orlando Pirates. Kule season. I think this is one of the best seasons asekayidlala lo mjito lo. Lo mfana lo Mfokeng yabo. So I will start him ka left wing yabo. Angifuna ukuchaza kakhulu futhi nakuyena. Angifuna ukumrestisa. I don't want to arrest the boy for idabi. Hayi kabi. Umjito kumele adlale. Usemncane impela. Kumele awathola ama-minutes amaningi yabo. So ngeke ngimreste njalo sengimrestisa. Ngeke ngimreste for le game le yabo. I won't rest him. Sawadinga amagoli laphana abafethu. So le front three le njwani ibona yabo. uTito Maswanganyi, uMfokeng benoSaling la. I trust these boys basinikeza amagoli yabo. One of these guys would score. Naye kumbatha usengakhahlela futhi yabo. Sinanoxolo ukwazi ukukhahlela ama-penalty. Simnandi nje bafethu yabo. Le scheme lesi simnandi so far yabo. Kushoda umdlalo oyedwa uyi-striker. Ngokwakho wena ungakhetha ba as a striker. Who would you choose as a striker yabo? Mina umdlali engamkhetha as a striker niyazi nonke hlezi ngimkhetha lo mjito lo uMabasa bafethu. I-sniper mina ngasikhetha for igame yekusasa. Njwadi ngichazile futhi ugoalkeeper weRichards Bay akakwazi ukubamba ungqi. Mase sithatha i-sniper sikhahlele phambili. One of these two players okuMonapule Saling benomfokeng, they would use that opportunity to capitalize on the mistakes etalo goalkeeper, or vele usniper yakwazi ukukhahlela vela shaya in net yabo. So ngale scheme list for me I think singayithola iwin against the Richards Bay FC. Le scheme list singabuya nayo iwin sibuyelele eOrlando yabo. Ungasirate kanjani le scheme list out of 10? Epalini sinosepho China yabo. Nale scheme futhi singaqala kwidabi siwin idabi. Ngokwami this is the best lineup for idabi, but ke ngokwakho ubona kanjani? Epalini sinosepho China, center backs Xoki and Sesane, kuthi right wing back uVan Rooyen, left wing back uMarco, ama-CDMs wami uMakehlani Makhawula benombatha. Masukuthi central attacking midfielder kube uTito Maswanganyi, right wing kube uMonapule Saling, left wing kube uMfokeng. Masukuthi striker kube sniper mfethu Zehofa Somabasa yabo. Ungangitshela ama-comment wathi wena i-lineup yakho ungayisetha kanjani mwase uthola ithuba yabo. Ungayideleli i-lineup le, ungalenzi iphutha lokuyidelela. Ngitshele wena ama-mistakes yabo owabonayo ngale lineup le, ushintshe la ushintsha khona, noma ungitshele yakho i-lineup kuma-comments yabo. Ungangitshele yakho i-lineup kuma-comments. Hayi alikho iphutha bafethu. Ungakhohlwa ukungifollowa over neSport lo yabo.